them through. Let's look at question number 4. What does that question number 4 says? We have done number 2 based on what we refer to as treasury cash book. But this one, what does it say we should look at? Can we see the board? Can we see the board?
Yes, sir. Your screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let's look at the question one after the other. The first question number 4 says what? What they say we should do before we now look at the solution page, how we are going to go about it. Now, the question number 4 is all about treasury cash book. How do we manage treasury cash book? What are the things we need to know when it comes to treasury cash book? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, as question number 4 is concerned, we say it is all about what? Treasury cash book. Now, if you look at the question, we're told here that Mr. Ajonibode, a revenue collector in the Magistrate Court of Doli Local Government, submit the following information for the month ended 30th June 2008. And we have a table being given to us. On that table, we have the date, we have the payer, we have the reason for payment, and we have the amount the person those people paid. The money collected is showing under the head of 200 with the following subhead: declaration of age 01, court fine 04, court proceeding document 07. Aja Onibode deposited the takings to the sub-accounting officer on the 29th June 2008 and was issued with the Treasury receipt number M400-201. The receipts used by him were N800-0401 to 800-40450. The number issued to Mrs. Miriam Gidado was N800-417 on the assumption that the receipt number N800-423 was cancelled and reissued and reviewed. Write up the revenue collector cash book and state how to treat the cancelled receipt. How do we go from there? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let's look at how to go with the solution page. Let's go to the Excel page.
You can see
Yes.
it.
Yeah. Now, you have the question at your own end there. You'll be telling me what you have on the question while you are looking at the screen. Now, what's the name of the organization?
Ajonibode. Ajonibode.
That's the revenue collector officer. The organization.
Magistrate Court of Doli Local Government.
Magistrate Court. Now let's go. Magistrate Court of Doli Local Government. Now, what account are we preparing based on what we have read? What account are we meant to prepare?
Treasury.
We are meant to prepare, not treasury, we are preparing revenue.
Okay.
Revenue collector
Cash book.
cash
Cash book.
book for the month of what? For the month
Months of
of
June
June.
2008.
June 20,
2008.
2008. Yes, I've stated it there. What do we have as the content of revenue collector cash book is concerned? We have the date. After date, what do we also have?
Receipt number.
Revenue receipt number. After that, what do we also have? Classification. Is that not so?
Yes, sir.
Classification. Then we match this together where we
Head and
have head,
seabed and
we have
subbed.
subbed. After that, we
From
have
whom receivable.
from whom receivable. Then after that also,
Amounts,
is that
dates,
not so? Now this happen to be the debit side. Then after that date, after the amount, we have another date.
yes.
After that, what do we also have again?
Treasury receipt number.
Treasury receipt number. After that, what do we also have again?
Amount.
Amount. Then this will be the credit side. Now, we are meant to draw the Okay, let's now look at the information one after the other. How do we go from there? Now, the first transaction started what date?
22nd of June, 2008.
In the case where you have opening balance, do you understand?
Okay.
It's going to be from the first day of that month, that is 1/6/2008.
Nice.
Now, balance,
Brought forward.
yes. But we don't have any dashes there. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, the second transaction said 2nd of June, Abi.
Yes, sir.
I mean, the first transaction says 2nd of June. What was the
2008.
person?
Yes.
Mrs. Miriam.
Mrs.
Gidado.
Miriam Gidado, Abi.
Yeah.
Mrs. Miriam. Or what they call the name?
Gidado. The
Okay,
reason for
that's what I
payment.
want to confirm. Gidado. Okay. Now, what is the reason for the payment?
Declaration of
What does
age.
she say?
Declaration.
Declaration of age. Now, we can indicate it there if you like. It's not compulsory. It will only be from the money, but the number you were giving. What is the head and subhead relating to all this transaction? You were giving head and subhead. What is the number of receipts issued to Mrs. Miriam Gidado? Based on the question we read. The one issued to Mrs. Miriam Gidado is N800-417. Is that not so?
7.
N
Yes.
800-417. That is the receipt issued to Mrs. Miriam Gidado. Now, on that part, what does Mrs. Miriam Gidado pay for? What does she pay for?
Declaration of
Declaration of
What is the number for declaration of age?
01.
01.
200. Abi?
01 is the subhead.
200 is what? Look at it. Read
200
it.
is the head.
Is what?
Head.
200 given to you is what? They said the money
Head.
collected going under head 200, which means all the money they are under what? Head of what? 200. Why that subhead is the one that relates to what Mrs. Miriam Gidado paid for. What does she pay for? She paid for declaration of age. What is the subhead for declaration of age?
01.
01.
It's 01. That's all. Can you see it? How much does Mrs. Miriam Gidado pay for?
400 naira.
400.
400.
That's all. The second transaction, what does it say?
3rd June 2008.
What do you say?
3rd June 2008.
3rd of June, Abi?
Yes, sir.
2008. Okay. Then the receipt will continue till the period you cancelled any of the receipts. That is when the system will change. It's supposed to be serially. This one will be N 800 418 under head of 200. Who is the person? What does the person paid for? And what is the subject for the person? What the person paid for? Who is the second person? Niger Kilabi.
Yes, sir.
Is it like this?
AH.
Is it correct?
Yes, correct. No.
What does he pay? What does he pay for?
Court
Court
fine.
fine.
What's the number for court fine?
04.
04.
04. How much does he pay?
2000.
2,000. That's all. What else again?
5th of June.
8.
5th of June, Abi?
Yes, sir.
This will also be N 800 419 under the head of 200. Who is this person and what does he pay for? And what is the code for what he has paid for? Under which head?
Mr. Ibrahim is the player.
Mr. Ibrahim.
Reason for
Mr.
payment.
Ibrahim. Paid for what?
Limo court fine.
Fine.
What do you say?
Limo court fine. Court fine.
Court fine. What's the number? What code?
2.
02.
04.
2.
The
What is the code for 0? That's subject for what
So-
Ibrahim paid for.
that's 04.
04.
He also paid for 04, Abi.
Yes.
Okay. How much does he pay?
8,000.
8,000. The next person.
Can
And
you
what
write?
date?
7th of June.
7th of June
2008.
2008. N 100 420. Paid under head of 200. Gani Waidi, Abi.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Gani Waidi. What does he pay? He paid for what?
Court
Court
proceeding
proceeding
documents.
What was the code for court proceeding document? What was the
Zero-
subject?
07.
It's 07. How much does he pay?
800.
800 naira.
800. The next person.
9 June 2008.
9 June 2008. N
800.
800. What do you say? Under the head of 200. Who is the person and what does he pay for?
Beko Ishola. He paid for court proceeding document.
Beko Ishola. He also pay for court what?
Proceeding document.
What's the number for court proceeding document?
07.
0.
07, Abi. How much does he pay for?
1200.
1,200. The next person.
Mrs. Kudirat Seniola.
What date?
13th of June.
13/6, 2008.
18th of June.
13.
13th,
Is it 18 or 19?
13, 13.
13. Okay, 13. 2008. What number are we using for this? That's the receipt number is N 800
800 for
4
22.
Is it Kudi? Hello?
Yes, sir. Mrs. Kudirat Eniola.
Hello? Kudirat, Abi?
Eniola, yes.
Eniola. Okay. What does he pay for?
Declaration of age.
Declaration of age. And declaration of age is what code? What is the subject for declaration of
01. 01.
01? How much does he pay? How much does he
400
pay?
naira. 400 naira.
400. What the next one?
21st of 6th of June.
20,
1st, 21.
21st of June 2008. Now you were okay. Now you were told that a receipt was cancelled. Can you still remember?
Yes, sir.
What's the number of the receipt that was cancelled?
N80423.
Which means this receipt now, we are not going to issue the one of that 423. We are going to go to the next receipt, which is going to be N800 424. That 423 has already been cancelled. Then that's 200 under the head of 200. Who is the person and what does he pay for?
Yaro
Yeah.
Balam. He paid for court fine.
Yaro
Yaro Balam.
Balam. What's the subhead of code of that?
04.
04. How much does he pay?
15.
1,500.
1,500. The next transaction,
30th of June.
30th of June. (2008) and 800 425 under the subhead of 200. Who is the person and what does he pay for?
Mrs. Adio. Court proceeding documents.
Mrs. Adio. What was the code for court proceeding document?
07.
07. Well, how much does he pay?
500.
The next transaction,
That's all.
that's all. Then we now total everything together. What will be the total here? Our total here said to be 20. That's 14,800. Is that what you have at your hand there?
Yes, sir.
Now, you were now told that he paid, what does the day he remitted the money to the to the sub-account officer. At what date?
29th of June.
29th of June 2008.
8.
What is the receipt issued to him?
M400-201.
M400-201. Now, as at that particular date, can we look at how much is he going to pay to that particular sub-account officer based on 29th of June? What was the total revenue collected by that particular officer?
14,300.
14,300, correct. You are right. 14,300. Now, that balance will now be as at 30th 06 2008 will be what? 500. When we total everything together, it becomes the same figure. We now have what? That balance of that 500 will be taken to the following month, which is now going to be 01 07 2008. We have balance brought forward 500. This will be balance carried down here. Any question, please? Any question? Any question, my people? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Do we have any question to ask before we move to the next one?
No.
Okay. And it's well clear to every one of us.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if we are cleared, let's look at the next question.
Sorry, sir. Please, can I get the page number? I joined late. So
What does the next question say? Next question.
Is it question 5?
That's question number 5.
Do we
The
read the
monthly
question?
float granted is 80,000. Hello?
Yes,
Question
sir.
number 5. Yes?
Okay, sir. Should we read it?
Yes.
Okay. The monthly float granted is 80,000. The main cashier reimburses any amount spent on the last day of each month. The following transactions took place in the month of November 2008. Dates, particulars, and amounts. For November 1, tea and sugar, 4,000 naira. November 3rd, purchase of petrol, 800. November 4, postal services, 2,000. November 5, postage stamps, 1,000. November 6, envelopes, 2,000 naira. November 8, purchase of petrol, 1,000 naira. November 9, gift, 4,000 naira. November 12, purchase of petrol, 800. November 13, postage stamps, 200 naira. November 15, Alhaji Giwa ledger account, 16,000 naira. November 16, Olamide ledger account, 10,000 naira. November 17, waste paper basket, 600 naira. November 18, purchase of stationery 4,000 naira. November 19, purchase of engine oil 1,000 naira. November 19 again, toll gates fees 80,000 naira. November 21, Aruna ledger account 12,000 naira. November 24th, tea and sugar 4,000 naira. November 25, biscuits 1,200. November 27, calculator 1,400 naira. November 30th, petrol and engine oil 2,000 naira. November 30th again, servicing of official car 1,200 naira. Required. Enter the above transactions in a petty cash book, having analysis columns for motor expenses, postages and stationery, office equipment, sundry expenses and ledger column. B. Show the book of accounts to be credited and debited by the main and impress cashiers as at 1 December 2008, following fresh reimbursements. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
What we should do?
You say we should enter the above transaction in a
What
petty
we should
cash
do?
book.
Now meant to prepare petty cash book.
Cash book.
Petty cash book together. And on. They now says show the book of accounts. That is a person you should prepare petty cash book. And you were giving what? The column analysis that you are meant to recognize. And B part of the question says what shows the book of accounts to be credited and debited by the mean and impress cashier as at 1st December 2008, following fresh reimbursement. How do we go from there? Now, B part of that question. Okay, before we solve this, there is B part of the question we solved above that they say you should give them what? How to treat what? Cancel receipt. If a receipt is being cancelled, one, such receipt should not be posted. Declared? Can you all hear me?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Your line was breaking. Sir.
Can you hear me now?
We
Can you
can hear
please
you.
try to recap, sir?
Yes.
I said if a receipt is being cancelled, one, such receipt must not be posted into the account from the receipt. Do not detach it. You leave it there. Two, transfer across the face of the must not be posted in the booklet. Now, absent of no question, we can now move to the what? The B part of the next question which we are looking at, which is the petty cash book. They said we should prepare petty cash book. We have all what it takes. Now, let's go to the what?